My name is Marile Colon Robles, and I'm a scientist that studies clouds that are collected by people around the world. When I'm not dreaming about clouds, I love hiking, bicycling, anything that involves being outside, I love. I love lizards, I don't know why, but those are my favorite. And so in my job, I get to be a scientist, but I also get to be a teacher and educator. I take inspiration by just people around me, seeing them in what their passion is, and seeing their eyes shine bright. There's 120 different countries that are part of GLOBE. We receive thousands of observations per day. Satellites are great, but they're not perfect. We need people on the ground looking up. The views are different. So when we combine them together, we have a complete story. So all these things always intrigued me. I always had this passion to learn. I did bachelor's degree in chemistry. It was beautiful to me. I also tried studying music because I've been a musician since I was a little girl. With the music, it helped me with the math. So I would play in the weekends with a professional group. And so follow your passion and then know that you can learn from anybody no matter what.